today is one of those days that we're celebrating. We have a partnership with the NC3, the National Coalition of Certification Centers, and the Trane Corporation. We have a wonderful team here, a wonderful college, and we are making some major improvements in our ability to offer technical education.
One of the great things that we have embraced with the NC3 is these certifications are no cost to the student. I think you realize that the investment into these students and how you'll reap benefits very soon in the future. We all know that building automation is the future of HVAC.
With this program, it's a condensed path. It's a course that shows you that you can see the light at the end of the tunnel when you start. If you follow the steps that's laid out for you, you can achieve that objective and get your degree.
It's the fundamental skill sets, the competencies that students learn in a lab like this, and all the programs that Dr. Hodges and John and the whole team here is truly going to make a difference today and in the future for the next 20 years.
This is huge for us in our industry. I've been in this for around 35 years. We have needed this for more than 35 years. This is probably the best and most high-tech lab in the technical colleges in Alabama.
This degree has done more for me in my career than I can say even my bachelor's degree did.